Alright guys, so here I am. I'm going to be creating a demo for a condo developer. So what I'm going to be doing is just essentially taking the script, plugging it into AI, and creating a demo that the client will like. I always go with advanced just because you can edit the prompts more. There's a lot of prompt engineering involved. I'm just going to delete all of this all the way to end script. This is where we're going to paste our script. So this is the starting sentence, which is what I have right here. I'm just going to paste that in. So the script is just asking a bunch of qualifying questions, and then ideally you would set up actions. So for instance, I'm sending you a text with our booking availability so you can see all the condos. You can add an action, right? And then I always put custom. You can also connect a calendar and have it book for them, but I prefer to send them the text link, especially if you have multiple agents. Yeah, because then they can choose whatever time works based on the agent's actions and go high level and automate much further. So this is just my preferred method, but you can use whatever works for you. So I'll copy that and I'll put send the name of the action. We save that. Now it's added to the agent. Then we'll make this the second action. I'm also going to send you a little care package with our floor plans, amenities, and popular spots in the area by email. Go create new, same thing. Okay, now both of those are added in. We'll get to that more in a second. Now we're going to come up here, delete calendar availabilities. And I add this in because it commonly comes up in a lot of the calls. So this is something I recommend you add too, but essentially saying when answering questions using the knowledge base, never say Q or A. Instead, always just say the answer to the prospect's question and never repeat the question, right? So it's just some basic prompts engineering here, because sometimes they'll say Q and repeat the question and then A and answer it. So you don't want that happening, obviously. So we're going to remove that and come down to the bottom and modify this portion a little bit, right? So all that I added is, or that you are an AI, because sometimes it'll say that they are an AI. And if you want them to say that, you can. Personally, I don't want them to be saying that, so I remove it. And then change the male model accent.
Okay, solid.
All right. All right, cool. Sounds good. Well, we'll kind of dive into it. I'm glad we were able to chat today. I know you talked.
Let's say choose that. You can also set up your post-call notes, right? So what you want them to keep, number of bathrooms, additional sub feature. Okay, what else? Budget, cash down, monthly budget, or which reason buying personal property or investment property. And would you like, okay, so I'm just gonna save and publish. Perfect. I'll save again here. Next up would be to connect the knowledge base, just give you an idea. But I literally just went on the website and copy pasted each page into a Google Sheets. Talks about the type of units, the pricing, who's involved, what else? The different amenities, what's in the area. I'm going to take that, going to add a knowledge base. Now I'm going to upload that document, right? So then you can go much deeper. You can add actions like what I just showed you earlier to each of these cards if you wanted. And just like that, you have your agent pretty much done. You've connected a knowledge base. You have some actions created. You have your post-call notes set up. Now all that would be left would be to connect it to an external automation software. So you could use Zapier. I use Go High Level, but that's totally up to you. I can dive into that in another video if you guys are interested. All right, so you would just come in here. You have settings, which has a few others. Connect your Go High Level there. You got your client API, so you could put your API keys for your client here. Folio, you'll get their phone number, and that's pretty much it. So if you got value out of this, please drop me a subscribe, and yeah, let's make some money online.